Today we're in Woody and we're at Blake School, and today we have third grader Ryley and we have fourth grader Harley, and together these guys are going to work on some multiplication problems right now. You guys ready? Mm-hmm. All right, yeah. Let's go. All right, Ryley, why don't you move on over here with me? Come on over here, and we're going to put Harley up on the board. All right, so Harley, what I'd like you to do is come up with a two-digit number, whatever two-digit number you would like.
Okay, 7.
Ryley, come up with a different two-digit number.
99.
Oh, 99. All right. Well, we're going to go with 99. That's what he said. So go ahead and put 99 underneath it. All right. And what we're going to do is we're going to do a multiplication problem. All right. So what else do we need to do to that to start doing our multiplication? Good. Put our symbol in there. Draw our line. Good. Now, Harley, you're familiar with how to do two-digit multiplication problems, correct? And Ryley, you're just learning your multiplication tables now, right? And you said you're pretty good with your 0 through 5s?
Yep.
All right. Well, we have none of those numbers today because neither one of you chose a number between 0 and 5. So it's a day to move forward. You ready? Why not, right? All right. So, Harley, what is the first step we need to do? How are we going to solve this problem? How would you approach solving this problem?
Going this way, and then this way.
And then what?
And then that way, and that way, and that way, and that way.
Do you agree with that way?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Or,
How about if we start with the ones place?
okay.
Right? We'll multiply 9 times 7, and then we'll go 9 times this 7. But this 7 isn't just 7. What does it represent? Is it 7 or is it something bigger than 7?
70.
Right, 70, right? Because this is in the tens place, right? And you know the place value, right? So this is 7, but this is 7D. So it would be 9 times 7 and 9 times 7D. All right? So, do you have an idea what 9 times 7 is? I know you're only through your 0 through 5s, but we'll just take a shot here.
I don't know.
No? What's 9 times 7?
18?
Well, 9 times 2 is 18. Right?
Bigger.
So, yeah, it is bigger, right? You know it's bigger. Here's one way to think about your 9s, right? If you have 9 times 7, take the number under 7. What's the next number under 7?
8.
6. So 8 would be above it, right? So 6 is underneath it. If you have 6, how many more do you need to get to 9?
3.
3. So the answer would be 63. All right? So what do we put down there?
3.
3. And then carry the 6. All right. Now, Ryley.
Yes.
Now we're going to do 9 times 7.
60.
Right, which is what?
63.
63. 63 plus 6.
64, 65, 63. Plus 69?
There you go. 69. So we're going to put the 9 and then the 6 over there. Perfect. So what we've done is we've done the... Right. You want to put a 0 for what? What is that 0 for?
93. For the next number.
Right. It's a placeholder. Right? Now, we've used that 6. Now we're going to go 9 times 7, which is really...
63 again.
Right. And we know that's 63, right? Because it's basically 90 times 7, which is 63. So what do we write?
A 3, and then we leave the 6 up there.
Right, because the 6 remains the same. Right? Okay. Ryley. We've done 9 times 7. Now we're going to do 9 times 7 here. And what's 9 times 7? You remember what that is?
63.
63. Right? So what do we do? Because we did 9 times 7 is 63, but we have to...
63, 64, 65. Oh, 69.
Yeah, right. You don't have to count all the way, right? Because you already know it's 69. So how do we write that down now? Perfect. Now, why don't we go ahead and Ryley, now that we have this, we need to add up all of those numbers. So why don't you go ahead and add those numbers? Good. Now, why did you carry a 1? What's happening here?
Because the 10 goes over there because it went over
Right, because 9 plus 3 was what?
12.
12. So you brought your 2 and then you carried that over. Good. Very nice. So what is the final answer?
7,623.
Nicely done. 7,623. Harley, come on over here again. What I'd like to do is I'd like to take a look and see if we could kind of estimate what this would be. If we had 77 and we estimated it, we rounded it, do you know what 77 would become? It's about what? If we had 77, we could, do you know when you guys have a 5 or higher, you round up? Okay, so 77, the 7 is higher than a 5. What is it?
80.
80. So why don't we get another marker right there? Why don't we grab that blue one? All right, let's cap this one. You hold on to that orange, Harley. All right. Ryley, 77 would become what?
80.
Okay, so why don't you do me a favor? Right over there, put an 80 next to the 77. And 99 is about what?
100.
100. So go ahead and put 100. Now check this out, all right? Put your line underneath there. Okay, so we're going to use this estimate. What's 8 times 1?
8.
8. So put in 8. And how many zeros are there altogether?
3.
So put 3 zeros after that. Okay. What number is that?
8,000.
8,000. Take a look at what we came up with, 7,623. Just think about the first 2 digits, the first 2 numbers, okay? So Harley, if we have 76, 76 would be about what?
About 8.
It would be about, what is it?
80.
You like that 80, huh? 76 would be about 80, right? So if we rounded this, if we estimated it, it would become 80. So you see, this is a way where you can check your answer just to see if this makes sense. So, Harley, why don't you read the original problem to us?
77 times 99 is
What is the final answer?
7,066. 23.
There you go, 7,623. Ryley and Harley, nice job.